Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off touch sound on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Then from here you can see this is the sound option, so click on sound. After helping click on sound, again you have to scroll like this. Just scroll and under down you are able to see this. Here is the touch sound. Okay, so if you want to on this touch sound, you just click on this icon like this. Here the touch sound will be activated, and if you want to off this touch sound, just click on this icon again. Here the touch sound will be deactivated. Okay, so you can on off by this icon the touch sound. If you want to on, you can on by this icon like this, and if you want to off, you can off by this icon like this. Okay, you can on off. And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.